merciful. My dear President, respectable teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic of speech is time is wealth. Time is very precious. It is most valuable thing in this world. Once it is lost, it is lost forever and can never be regained. Our success or failure in life depend on the right use of time. A student who makes good use of their time will have no difficulty in passing an exam. Ones who wasted their time and not studied will not be able to pass in spite of being clever. Honorable Principal, time is wealth is an exam that stresses the importance of time and need to use it productively. Many people wasted their youth and realize in middle age that they achieved nothing at all. Such people are like grasshopper. Tomorrow, circumstances may have changed and it may be then out of our power to do what we intended, even though the material circumstances have not changed. Yet, each tomorrow, when it comes, is converted into today, and then there is another tomorrow, which we are likely once more to postpone our neglected duty. Honorable